What's up guys, back again with another video. This time I am making something different. I'm making a pasta this time, but it's a little different touch. So yeah, I mean it has a little Arabic touch to it, and I'm hoping that you're gonna like this time, this video. I'm gonna go through the process one by one, and I have my stuff ready already. In a way, I have cut my onions, I have cut my tomatoes, and I'm gonna go through the process right now. And I'm hoping that you guys like this video better. So yeah, I'm just a guy who didn't know anything about cooking, but now I'm getting into it, and the more I cook, I'm falling in love with cooking. So yeah guys, without further anything else to say, let's get to cooking. We have shredded chicken pasta. So the recipe gonna be listed below, and if you guys wanna try it out, please go ahead, don't hesitate. This is something I came random with it, and it smells so good, so I'm hoping it tastes good too. And I'm about to try it out. You're gonna see my reaction. All right. Right, got shredded chicken. So you know what? I always impress myself. So I'm impressed again. I don't want to go to a restaurant. I think I'm going to open a restaurant here. But hey, without any further discussion, I'm going to go ahead, try to finish my food. You guys missing it out. But you know what? I wish that you guys were here. And if you guys like the video, please make sure hit like and write your comments down and subscribe please. And I'm gonna go ahead and get to my food. Catch you guys later.